Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Limra CCTV Info. Today I am going to give my demo on essential tools to be carried by a CCTV installer or a technician in his bag or a kit. So let's start. A multimeter, a long nose plier, a wire cutter stripper in the kit. A telephone handset, if you are dealing with intercoms, this is the essential tool to keep in your toolkit. Crimping tool to crimp RJ45, RJ11 jacks. A pattern generator to check the cameras. A mini 4G router to check the internet connectivity and put the DVR online. A mini monitor to check the cameras. You should carry one 12 volts backup power supply. You should carry some CMOS battery to replace the CMOS batteries in DVR or NVR. You should carry a laptop if you are dealing with IP cameras. You should carry one 12-volt adapter with 2 amperes. You should carry a 4-channel and 8-channel power supply in your toolkit. BNC and DC connectors. You have to carry a soldering iron which works on battery, but in some places you will not find any power supply. If you need to solder anything, you should use this battery operated soldering iron along with paste and the lead. You have to carry a line tester to check the electricity. If you are dealing with telephones, intercoms, this is the important tool you have to carry in your kit. This is a chrome tool to punch the LAN cable. This is an important tool to check the 3 plus 1 camera cable whether the video wire is working or not. You can check the continuity of the 3 plus 1 or 4 plus 1 cable with this tool. If you are dealing with IP cameras, this is an important tool to check the connectivity of the LAN cable. That is, are you using Cat 6 cable or Cat 5 cable or Cat 5e cable, etc. Along with that, you should have some cable ties in your toolkit. Along with that, you have to carry one BNC patch card. You have to carry one LAN patch card to test the IP cameras. You should carry a IP camera tester which can test all types of cameras including IP cameras, HD cameras, AHD cameras, CVBS and internet connectivity. For all purposes, you can use this IPC tester. BNC adapter with two BNC female and one BNC male connector. Some cable jointers, if you are using a 4 channel or 8 channel or 16 channel without any separate ports, that means you are using only red and black wires to connect the power supply to the cameras. Some RJ11 jacks if you are dealing with telephone equipments. A RJ45 coupler. Some RJ45 jacks. A insulation tape to insulate the DC pins. A Allen key for tightening the PTZ cameras, a long screwdriver to tighten the junction box, a cutting plier, a connector kit to connect BNC connectors, a long nose plier, a multimeter. Friends, this is my toolkit I used to carry along with me to the service.